Hi guys,
Hi,
it's Nasla and Maraz.
Rejoice.
So guys, today we're going to be discussing about a very interesting topic,
Exactly.
and that is
Growth
growth and
and
development.
Yes.
So we're just going to start by defining what growth really means, and then what development really means.
Okay. So growth, as we all know, is increase in size,
Yeah.
increase in weight, increase in height,
Yeah.
increase in your body posture,
Exactly.
increase in maybe in a lady, in a guy, you increase in your breast, you increase in your buttocks, you increase in your height.
Yeah.
That's what growth means.
And then talking about development means increase in intellectual ability.
Yeah.
You get to become more intelligent, you get to get more wisdom.
Exactly.
So when you lack development in your life, you'll be thinking like a me. So development just has to do with cognition.
Yes. In a nutshell, so it means
So guys,
getting bigger.
let's dive deep
When
into the
development
stages of this particular growth and development so that you get to understand it very well. So take close attention.
So, guys, we're talking about the first stage.
Yeah.
Usually, we have 5 stages in growth and development. So, the first one, we're going to be talking about the prenatal stage. So, in this prenatal stage, it extends from what? From conception till birth.
Yeah.
And in prenatal stage, we have the 3 phases in prenatal stage, which are the zygotic phase, the embryonic phase, and the fetal phase. So, should be talking about the postnatal phase.
Yeah, talking about the postnatal phase. The postnatal phase is the phase after birth.
Yeah.
From the name post, post means after. So after the child have been given birth. So we have 3 phases in this particular stage.
Yeah.
And I had an acronym for it. And the acronym makes things easier.
Exactly.
So that acronym is NEAT, N-I-T. So the first one is the neonatal stage. And the second one is the infancy.
Then the third one is toddler.
So, guys, I'll be talking about the childhood also, which is the next stage after the postnatal stage. So, in childhood, we have 2 phases in childhood, which are preschool children, which ranges from 3 to 6 years, and then we also have the school age children, which ranges from what? From 6 years to 12 years.
Yeah.
And also, we're talking about the adolescent stage. So, in adolescent stage, it ranges from what? From 12 years to 19 years. And then in adolescent stage, this is where maturity begins. This is where the child begins to mature. So we have ranges of these adolescents. We have from 12 years to 19 years. And then in adolescent stage also, we have the phases in adolescent stage. We have the early phase, we have the early phase, the middle phase, and the late phase.
Yeah.
So, guys, we're talking about the last stage of this growth and development. So, my colleague will talk about it, which is adulthood.
So you're into adulthood. This is when you grow into a full blown adult.
Yeah.
At this point, you already know it.
Exactly.
And it ranges between the age of 21 to 65 and above. So it has classifications or divisions.
Yeah.
So we have the early adult, and I'm in my early adulthood. So which is between 21 to 25 years old. Then the middle adult is between 25 years old to 40 years old. So if you are between this age, you should have achieved a lot in life. This is the stage where you must have gotten to a particular height. So the next stage is the late adulthood. And in this stage, it ranges between 40 to 65 years. And in this particular stage, retirement may occur because you're already 65, you're already too old. And then the next stage is the old age. Our grannies, grandma, grandpa. So this is the stage where we have them. And that's the final stage. So guys, this is it for this interesting video. And you learned a lot
from this interesting video. Please
Yeah.
stay tuned for the next video. Please comment, share, subscribe, like. Thank you. Bye.